Damaged or crossed a thread in the workshop? If a tap and die set isn't suitable for the repair, a ToolPRO Metric Thread File will set it straight with ease. A thread file is the go-to option when the damaged thread is too large for a die. The size of the bolt is irrelevant when using a thread file, but the pitch of the thread must still be determined. The ToolPRO Metric Thread File covers thread pitches as fine as 0.8 mm all the way to 3 mm. To determine the correct size for your job, test each pitch against an undamaged section of thread. You'll know you've found the right one when the file sits perfectly between the ridges on the thread and you see no light coming between the file and the threads. Now, begin filing with medium pressure on a section just next to the damage and work your way across. Remember to run a nut over it periodically and keep filing until the nut runs smoothly over the damaged section. It's one simple tool that could save a lot of headache. Grab your ToolPRO Metric Thread File today at Supercheap Auto.